Hi, my name's Ted. This is my wife, Nancy. And this is our baby to be. We're pretty excited about it. And we pretty much think we're on the same page for the whole parenting thing. But because my wife is German and I'm from Chicago, there's one basic parenting issue we haven't settled yet. A rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo.
No, a rooster says kikeriki.
No, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Kikeriki.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The cow goes, Shazoo!
It most certainly does not.
Oh.
What's a cow say in Turkish?
Oh.
I haven't heard that many Indians imitate cow sounds.
What does a cow say in Ukrainian?
Oh, well, first of all, we don't translate them. That's what they say. Cow says moo, pretty much like everywhere else.
What about a sheep?
Meh, meh.
Bah, bah, maybe like that.
Beer, beer.
Different languages have different phonological inventories, which is really just a fancy way of saying that they all have different types of consonants and different types of vowels.
K, U.
Languages also have something called phonotactics, which just means how the vowels and consonants are put together. But they also vary in the way that they hear things. It's based on their understanding of how sounds work. So if you take the phonotactics and the phonological inventory, and they will interpret animal sounds to fit into the patterns of their own language.
Donkey, bata-bak, bata-bak.
In Urdu, a donkey says dhachu, dhachu. Oh.
This is donkey, yeah.
Not monkey, donkey.
Because a donkey is associated with being a stupid animal, so I don't think anybody wants to sound like that.
In Farsi, dog says, hop, 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 how, how.
The Tibetan do not have the sound like woof woof, but it is the king uptime means basically means the dog is barking, you know.
In English, it's woof woof.
Yeah, the way it normally sounds, right?
No. Ask the dog.
That's what a pig makes.
Oh, this is Azerbaijani pig.
Oh, the Azerbaijani pig.
Actually, khru.
And Ukrainian pig, which is pretty much most popular animal in Ukraine, most eaten, I would say, says khru, 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 khru.
Given the billions of pigs that are raised for consumption in this world, I think that a scream of terror or something would probably be more accurate. Farm Animal Rights Movement is a national nonprofit, and we work to end the use of animals for food through public education and grassroots activism events. I got into the movement when I was 14. I was sitting in my French class in 9th grade, and we learned how to say the names of animals in French, and we learned how to say their sounds in French, and then we learned their cuts of meat.
Growan.
The first time as a 4-year-old you learned what pork was and that it came from a pig and that pig goes oink all at the same time, you'd be kind of terrified. And that just happened to me when I was 14, and I just stopped eating meat and never went back.
Can you once again tell me what farm means?
FARM is an acronym for Farm Animal Rights Movement.
Okay, now would you ever think of renaming it the Farm Animal Rights Movement?
Like, you know, I'm making my territory clear. Don't touch my harem. You know, this is mine.
Kokoliko.
Kukuruyu.
In Russia, rooster says Kukuriko.
Where? Where does the rooster say that?
In English, the rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. What is
It does not say kaka-kaka-do. It says kukuriko.
So you actually think that
I don't think it's what rooster says. Kukarikoo.
I mean, if you think about it, kookalikoo and cock-a-doodle-doo, they're similar sounds. So we're hearing similar things. We're just interpreting them based on the knowledge that's in our heads.
It does not say kaka, kaka, doodle, doo. There is no D in rooster's vocabulary.
And there you have it, folks. Hey, me again. Ted. More confused than ever. So I decided to make one more stop to see if I could get an answer straight from the source. So, Mr. Pig, what do you have to say for yourself? Hey, Cal, can I ask you a few questions? It'll just take a second. Moo. Me. Me. Excuse me, Mr. Rooster. Kikeriki or cock-a-doodle-doo? For the record, what do you say? Anyone? Cock-a-doodle-doo, kikeriki. Once and for all, here it is, last time. Cock-a-doodle-doo! So I went and talked to a bunch of people, and the rooster says...
Yeah, kikeriki.
Ali Baba'nın bir çiftliği var. Çiftliğinde tavukları var. Gıt gıt gıdak, gıt gıt gıdak diye bağırır. Çiftliğinde Ali Baba'nın bir çiftliği var. Çiftliğinde köpekleri var. Hav 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 diye bağırır. Çiftliğinde Ali Baba'nın bir çiftliği var. Çiftliğinde inekleri var. Mö mö diye bağırır. Çiftliğinde Ali Baba'nın. Is it all right?
Thanks for watching our movie.